The ultimate party food without the guilt. We're making my air fryer crispy chicken wings. And I'm also gonna be making a keto low carb friendly ranch dressing to dip into these wings just to take them up to that next level. Now I'm doing a dry rub on these wings and it is so easy to do. This spice mix is one of my favorites. It's a little bit of a secret recipe here in this house, but you're gonna find out the secret very, very soon. So into a bowl, what I want you to add, some oregano, some ground cumin, some smoked paprika, some onion powder and some garlic powder, and also add in some salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now give it a good mix around, get all those spices and herbs mixed together really well. And this dry rub works with chicken, it works with beef, it is amazing. It works with pork as well. I should be selling my own spice mixes. This one is so good. So just put the spice mix to one side and now we're gonna get started on the chicken wings. Now I've already had the wings just snipped off, those tails just snipped off. I don't like them, there's not much meat there. I find they just burn and they're pretty much useless. So I just get the butcher to get rid of them for me. Or if you buy chicken wings, just cut it off with the knife. You've seen me do it before heaps of times. And then I'm gonna get my chicken and drizzle some olive oil over the top and then just mix everything around, get all those chicken nicely coated in the oil, because what the oil will do is help our spice mix stick. If you put on the spice mix now and then rubbed over the oil, it's just gonna all fall apart. Now, if you wanted to make these hot wings, what I'd suggest you do is before you put the olive oil on, mix in some hot sauce with the olive oil, mix it around, and then pour it over the top if you want that spiciness. I'm serving these to some kids, so I really want it mild, but if you want that heat factor, then put on any hot sauce you can, just mix it in with the olive oil. So now it goes over the dry rub, put it all over the top, sprinkle it over, and then mix that chicken all through, get it nicely coated. If you don't like using your hands, you can use gloves. Just mix it all around and you want that chicken evenly coated on all sides with that spice mix. Now just leave the chicken for only 5 to 10 minutes. Just leave it on the bench just to marinate a little bit, just to soak in some of those herbs and spices. And now we're gonna get started on is our ranch dressing. Really simple. Into a bowl, I'm gonna be adding in some whole egg mayonnaise. To that, some sour cream. I'm gonna place in some onion powder and some garlic powder. And then for some freshness, I'm gonna be adding in some fresh dill, just chopped up roughly, and also some chopped up chives as well, just for a nice little onion flavor. And just give it a squeeze of lemon juice, and then just give everything a mix around. Now, this is not your traditional ranch dressing, but it is low carb friendly. You don't have to worry about anything here. It is so good, and it goes so well with that crispy chicken skin. Oh my goodness. And you can leave this in the fridge for a few days or up to a week in an airtight container, and it goes so well with chicken, it goes so well with fish as well, and beef, really nice. So our chicken's ready to go. We've got our ranch dressing done. Now we'll air fry them. And what I love about the air fryer is that you get that real crispy, deep fried type texture. And we get this nice crispy coating on the outside, but everything inside is really juicy. So place the chicken wings into the basket, and then I'm placing them in at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And every 5 to 6 minutes, I just take it out and just give the tray just a little shake, rattle, and roll, just to move everything around so nothing sticks and you're cooking evenly on all sides. So just keep doing that every few minutes. If you don't have an air fryer, you can do this in the oven perfectly fine as well. If you wanted to deep fry them, by all means, go ahead. And you can see when we're finished, look how beautiful they are. I'm placing them in on a plate, and look how they're glistening. They're just so shiny and they're moist on the inside. They're just waiting to be eaten. So I place them, heap them up nicely on a plate. I drizzle it with a little bit of extra lemon juice over the top just to give it a bit of freshness, and then dip it straight in to that ranch dressing, and it is heaven. The chicken skin is just so crispy. The chicken flesh inside that wing is so tender and moist. It is absolutely glorious. This is such an easy, fantastic recipe to have, and it is perfect family style. You put this on the table, everyone just gets stuck in, and there's bones left, and then it is just a thing of beauty. So much fun. If you're after the recipe, you can grab it in the description on my website. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it around with your family and friends, and I'll see you real soon for another recipe.